All right, I am rushing in here to the building. It's Martin Luther King Day, but we are working. The flooring is getting done by my flooring guys, Ali, great flooring company. We have to be quieter because we're really not supposed to be in here, but the people in the building that run it are nice to me, and fortunately, I'm working on the unit above, and the unit next to it is vacant with the same owner, and then there's nobody beside him on the other side, so we're in good shape. Anyway, here we are. Everything is cleaned out now. So again, today's flooring day. Everybody's going to be as quiet as possible because it's a holiday, but the flooring is getting done throughout every place except for the bathrooms. So we're getting close to that stage. And then I've got to, notice that light. The appliances are all gonna be going out soon, so that's also on the list, maybe today. Kiko moved everything in here. This became the temporary storage space. Let's take a look at this. So get a nice little walk through the entire place as it looks right now with the carpet. All the painting was done, so it's starting to take shape. Yeah, that works.
So this is coming with the bay, and we want to put plastic on the concrete.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I think whatever Ali had mentioned to make it a little bit
Yeah.
tighter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Está bien. All right. We're talking about the floor direction.
Yeah.
Which way are you thinking?
This is the best way.
The best way.
Yeah.
So run the LPV. You're saying right.
Long way in the hallway.
So long way in the hallway. Yeah, that makes sense because it would look bad going horizontal. Okay, we are underway. So I just left talking with Armando to make sure we're on the same page and everything going on. It's actually not bad today, so we just have to be quiet within reason. We were gonna cut outside as you saw, but I said do it inside. Worried about the paint that we just got done, but they'll just wrap an area in plastic. Great thing is we have this massive patio. See, for those of you that are looking at this condo when it goes live, that patio, that almost 700 square foot patio, is very, very helpful, like for putting carpet outside when you're putting new flooring in. So that's what we're gonna do, and I think that'll minimize the noise a little bit and kind of going in and out of the building in the back. The great thing is it's by the back, so probably the loudest part will be bringing stuff in right now at the beginning. So we'll check back a little bit later, and you'll see what's taking shape. Right now it's just getting all the old junky carpet out. Hopefully everybody in the building cooperates. You know what happens when people hear noise sometimes. It just takes one person to cause it to go out of whack, and in this case, I don't want to put Armando, so good to me, in a bad situation, make him uncomfortable. So fingers crossed, because this keeps everything on schedule, because my flooring guy Ali is booked. I mean, he's booked out, and I got today and tomorrow to get this done, and then get my main contractor Kiko back in there so we can get this thing to the finish line. Okay, so we'll check back in later. Thanks for for continuing to watch this development, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, Monday afternoon here, flooring day. Let's check things out, see how it's going. It's okay to step in?
Yeah.
Okay. Big difference. Big difference. So. So you can see the difference is night and day between that dirty, ugly brown color that was here, transformed it completely with the new paint and this flooring. And by the time we finish this bathroom, especially this master suite, is just gonna be like boom, awesome. And then when you pull in this awesome space outside, it's gonna be spectacular. Somebody's gonna get a great place. Actually, I already have one person message me, so we'll see. Hopefully, we get something fast. It's always good to get fast. See the closet? Got the new dryer in. So you can see right now, especially with this, why we say we got to paint these cabinets. That's what I thought, but when you see this flooring, how much better it looks, so we're gonna paint the cabinets white. So have those refinished, it'll look a lot better. Yeah, we were looking at that the other day. Go ahead, you're fine, come on in. This is saying the cabinets, we're gonna paint them white because it doesn't look good brown.
Yeah, look at this one.
Yeah, so we'll definitely do that. Okay, so that wraps up this day's show. Took a gamble, this being a holiday, with the no noise in the building with the work, only because sort of controlling what's going on with the unit next door, which is my clients, right? So he owns that one, and then I'm working on selling the one directly above that, and we don't have anybody at this level on the other side, so we're basically wrapped around with nobody, and you can hear a little bit of the sawing action. So that was a savior today. So it's perfect. So tomorrow they'll finish up, see everything else, then Kika will be back in, and we gotta go more rapido and get this thing in gear for 2 weeks where we go live. Stay tuned for the next day. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of the videos in this condo renovation project from start to finish until we take it live for sale, then click over here, subscribe, or down below, wherever it is, and we'll see you on the next video.